Hi everyone, yes, you did read the title right. I got a Burlington Northern Santa Fe on the Sean Pacific Railroad, so stay tuned, kick back, relax, don't go anywhere. Have a show coming up. Hi everyone, thanks for hanging out with me for another episode of the Sean Pacific Railroad. Well, if you're new to the channel, my name is Sean. I have a Kato N-Skill train layout. I like to run trains, work on projects around the layout, and do a few reviews. So today I have an SD70 ACE, my first Burlington Northern Santa Fe on the Sean Pacific Railroad. I'm super stoked. It's finally been long enough. Finally got a BNSF for the layout. The run with my UP. Later on, maybe I'll get another one and I'll run only BNSF. So I'm super stoked. So let's get this out of layout and let's run some trains. Well, everyone, that will wrap up another video for this week. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget that icon bell because I got some more exciting stuff coming up here only on the Sean Pacific Railroad. You guys, I appreciate you. Please don't forget to leave me a comment. I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks, everyone.